right, well what we're going to do now is a typical extrication call that we have. We run a lot of auto accidents in the city, and we're going to show you what it looks like if we come to a vehicle accident and we need to extricate someone from the vehicle. If you look inside there, you can see one of our rescue mannequins inside there. So we're going to give you a play-by-play deal of how this works. So here we go.
Fire truck's moving.
Oh, it's like something's
All right, here we go. Normally on these vehicle accidents, we come in with an engine company like you saw over there, an ambulance, and a heavy rescue truck that's right there in the background. The crews are going to come up. They're going to take a look at the vehicle, and a lot of them that you see on this side, what they're doing, they're stabilizing the vehicle. Okay, they're trying to make access to the victim as quickly as they can. And as soon as they make access into the vehicle through a window, they're going to drop a paramedic inside the vehicle with the patient. If you take a look, they're pulling the stems on the tires. They're flattening the tires. This keeps the vehicle from rolling on us. We don't want the vehicle to roll around on us, so we flatten those tires out. You can see Scott at the front. He's cutting the front window out. And at the same time, on the driver's side of the vehicle, they're cutting the left door off. This extrication equipment they're using now, we have a set of this extrication equipment on every fire engine in the city, and we have 2 sets of it on that rescue truck that's over there. See the tool that the lieutenant's using, the young man in the red helmet there? That's called the Jaws of Life. You've heard that before? We call it the TNT tool. You can run multiple pieces of equipment at the same time, as you can see. On this side, he's working to pop that back door, and over on the driver's side of the vehicle, they're actually taking the passenger door off as we speak. Or the driver door, I'm sorry. Okay, you hear that saw? That's an electric saw that they're using. They're going to cut one of those posts in the back. All right, he's popped that rear door. Okay, now they slide the paramedic in the car as quickly as they can. The paramedic's going to do is assess the patient, see if there's any advanced life support that we can do right away with the patient. We're going to cover the patient up so he doesn't get glass or any metal or anything like that. We comfort the patient when they're in the vehicle. We like to tell them exactly what we're doing. Tell them, okay, we're going to cut the roof, we're going to be popping this door. It's a very scary situation for them, so we want to let them know every move that we're making. Okay, they got the back door cut off on the, they have a cervical collar already placed on the patient inside the vehicle. And right now they're taking off the front passenger door, and they got the driver's side door off now. On the driver's side, they're using those cutters. Those are cutters on the driver's side. They're going to start cutting those A and B posts, and we're going to take the roof off the vehicle.
Take it doing it. That's okay. Okay.
That's cool.
Watch it.
All right, they're quickly taking the roof off the vehicle. There we go. Now we have full access to the patient inside the vehicle. You see him taking those little plastic covers, he's covering those posts up to make sure that we don't hurt ourselves. Okay, now they're taking the rest of the door off on the driver's side. They're pulling the stretcher in there, and they have a backboard ready. Now, if we have a vehicle in traffic where it's going to take quite a while, vehicle like a semi or something where it's going to be a long time, sometimes people get stuck in machinery, that's when we're going to call one of those 2 helicopters that you heard up there. If it's going to take us a long time to get them out of the vehicle. Usually, we're pretty quick on doing this. We get them out of the vehicle as fast as we can, get them into one of our ambulances, and get headed downtown to ORC, which is the trauma center. Okay, what they're doing is they're going to take the victim out. They're going to keep C-spine on the victim's neck, so the neck's not moving around, as smooth as they can. They'll slide the victim out onto that backboard, that blue backboard.
What's the victim?
Victim is someone for sure.
And onto the stretcher. And we like to do all this very quickly because we have that 1 hour, that one golden hour for the trauma patients to get them down to ORC, to the trauma center, for the surgeons. They don't need us messing around out here, they need a surgeon, correct? And there we go, got our patient out of there pretty quick.